How to turn your phone into a wireless webcam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can turn your phone into a wireless webcam. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. So let's just jump right into it. So for this, you can actually download apps for changing your phone into a webcam. So yes, there are apps available for you. So locate your Google Play Store and then open it up. On your Google Play Store, search for apps such as Droid Cam. So Droid Cam, this is a classic one, but you can find Droid Cam Webcam and OBS Camera. So if you open this up, you can then download this, and you can use this with your Wi-Fi or USB and connect to your laptop or desktop. So with this, you can also use it with your OBS Studio, and yeah, there are different much more apps available as well, such as the classic one, which you can use. And yeah, just install the app and then open it up. After you open up the app, you can then start connecting it using Droid Cam on your computer. You can also use the USB one, but you can just connect directly using your Wi-Fi. It's pretty simple. Be on the same Wi-Fi that you're on with your device, the other device, and then select that device and then connect. And you can use your phone as your webcam. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.